Meaning of general.
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 General. The term general can have a few different meanings depending on the context. In a military sense, it typically refers to an officer of high rank. In a broader sense, it can be used to describe something that is widely applicable or widespread in its scope. For example, a general education curriculum would provide students with a broad range of knowledge and skills rather than focusing heavily on one specific subject area. Overall, the word general implies a sense of breadth and universality.